Take a moment and breathe. If you're here, there's probably a reason. Maybe you've been struggling to focus. Maybe your motivation breaks faster than you want. Maybe you doubt yourself more than you admit. And if that's true, you're not alone. So many people feel unstructured, overwhelmed, distracted. Not because they're lazy, but because no one taught them how to create mental space. You're not failing. You're overstimulated. You're exhausted. You're fighting your mind instead of working with it. And here, in this moment, you can stop fighting. Let's talk honestly about why concentrating feels impossible sometimes. Your brain isn't built for long, unstructured work sessions. It needs rhythm. It needs boundaries. It needs safety. When you sit down to study without a clear plan, your mind panics. It jumps between tasks. It spirals into pressure. And then you start believing there's something wrong with you. But nothing is wrong with you. Your brain just needs something simple. Structure, small steps. Consistent wins, compassion. The Pomodoro method gives you exactly that. It creates a cycle your mind can trust. If you've ever thought, I can't stay focused. I always fall behind. I don't have discipline. I'm never good enough. These thoughts are common, but they're not the truth. You're not broken. You're human. And humans need rhythm, clarity, and emotional safety to perform well. That's why this channel exists. To give you structure, to give you support, to give you a place where focus feels possible again. On this channel, we don't chase perfection. We don't shame ourselves into discipline. We build identity. We build gentle consistency. We build trust, the kind you feel within yourself. Pomodoro is our tool, but who you become through it, that's the real transformation. I invite you to get to know me and our channel, what you can expect on our channel. You'll be able to concentrate. You'll find a new rhythm. You'll gain self-confidence. This is how change begins. Quietly, gently, consistently. Many things won't work perfectly the first time, but you can always come back. The space is there for you. You did something good for yourself today. Hold on to that. You're not someone who gives up. You're someone who tries again. And that identity, it's growing every time you return. I'm proud of you. See you on my channel.